Hi everyone, welcome back to Math Minds. Our learning target for this video is I can use the logarithm properties to expand and condense logarithmic expressions. Let's take a look at properties of logarithms. Product property. Log base b m times n is equal to log base b m plus log base b n. Quotient property. Log base b m over n is equal to log base b m minus log base b n. And the power property. Log base b m to the k power is equal to k times log base b of m. Now let's take a look at the problem of the day. Expand the logarithm fully using the properties of logs. Part A. Log of y to the fourth power over z to the fifth and x to the fourth. We see here that y to the fourth power is being divided by z to the fifth times x to the fourth. So let's rewrite this using the quotient property. We have log of y to the fourth minus, using parentheses, log z to the fifth and x to the fourth. Now we are going to use a product property because z to the fifth is being multiplied to x to the fourth. So let's rewrite. We have log y to the fourth minus, keeping those parentheses, log of z to the fifth plus log of x to the fourth. Now we're going to rewrite this one more time using the power property. We're going to move our exponents to the front of our log, right here, and let's rewrite. So we have 4 log y minus, keep that parenthesis, 5 log z plus 4 log x. Close parenthesis, and we have just expanded our logarithm fully. Now let's take a look at part B. Log of z cube root of y squared over x to the fifth. So we see that we have division going on right here. So let's start off with the quotient property. We have log z cube root of y squared minus, using parentheses, log x to the fifth. Now let's move in to our product property. Since we have z being multiplied to the cube root of y squared, we have log z plus log cube root of y squared. We're going to keep our minus log of x to the fifth power. Now we're going to move in to using our power property, moving our exponents to the front of our log. Log z does not have an exponent, so we're going to keep this as is. Taking a look at our next log, we have 2 exponents here. So let's move one at a time. So we're going to move our cube root to the front. Cube root is an exponent of 1 over 3. And we have log of y squared. And then we have minus, in parentheses, 5 log x. Now we're almost there. We're just going to use the power property one more time. We have log z plus 2 times 1/3 log y minus 5 log x. We can simplify just a little more, and our final answer, let's write this over here, will be log z plus 2/3 log y minus 5 log x. And this is our fully expanded logarithm. And that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.